ASUS is unveiling its new Zenfone 12 Ultra. The smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with 4.32 GHz octa-core processor and will be a flagship where you will get a number of impressive features and specifications. RAM option has two, 12 and 16 GB. 12 Ultra has a 6.78 inches OLED touchscreen display. This is a LTPO panel. There is a triple camera system. Main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto. Front camera is 32 megapixel. The ASUS Zenfone 12 Ultra has an under-display optical fingerprint reader with a 144 Hz refresh rate. It has a 2500 nits peak brightness and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And storage has also two options, 256 and 512 GB. The phone is equipped with a 5500 mAh dual cell battery. It supports up to 65 watt fast charging. That's all for now and thanks for watching.